Hello, I'm Chris, and this is my how to clean cloth seats video. So I got this from Walmart. I've seen it in other YouTube videos. Seem to do a really good job. We're going to put this machine to the test. Little Green Pro by Bissell, $134 at Walmart. So this is the seat out of a 2017 Toyota Tacoma. Now, I like to roll my windows down. Dust gets inside the truck, usually embeds itself right there. Kind of see that dirt tint. This is the area where the center console is up against it. You can see we have really nasty stuff for 3 years of driving and eating in the truck. Don't think for 1 second that yours doesn't look like that too. That's why we need to take this stuff out and clean it. So then you buy this stuff right here. This is for new seats or really clean seats that, let's say you spill some kind of food on it, you could attack this area 2 or 3 times and you can get it perfectly clean. This stuff works 100%, but when you got to do the whole seat, this stuff does nothing for you. Because that's what I used this for a long time ago. I had a coffee stain right here and it took it out 100%. So much respect to these companies. To do a whole dirty seat or a whole interior, you're going to lose your mind trying to use this little can right here. So first you're going to notice a real nice smell coming out of the box, which is kind of weird. Instructions. Comes with 2 little heads. One has some really hard bristles in the center for carpet, I would imagine. That's really cool that it comes with 2 like that. Cool, so it comes with a little bottle. Wish I would have known that. So it looks fancy. It's got a little bit of weight to it. It doesn't feel cheap. It's got a super long cord. Looks like at least 25 feet. So the little hose on it's about 4 feet long. Should be fine. Okay, so let's go ahead and set the machine up in case this machine makes that seat look brand new and then for some reason you want to buy one of these. Okay, then you just choose whichever one you want to attach. Let's see. That was easy. Okay, so then we're going to take this little tank off and we're going to go fill it with hot water. You just take this off. So one cool thing is the tank is short. You can fill it up in your bathroom or kitchen sink with hot water. Okay, so now we need to get 2 ounces in here. Man, hopefully this is a measuring cup. It is 2 ounces right there. That smells like the Finesse shampoo or Pantene Pro V. I can't remember, but definitely like a girl shampoo smell. And it's clear like water. This, god dang it, you stupid, I hate it. It does not say shake it on the instructions, but I feel like I need to shake this. So, okay, we're going to plug it in, push the red button. This is just going to be sitting on the floor. We're not going to see it, sorry. I'm pretty sure when we turn it on, the vacuum's going to come on real loud. When you push this green button, it's going to squirt water in there somehow. We're just going to try to vacuum it off, see what happens. We're going to go ahead and hit it with this pre-treatment. Let this sit for 3 to 5 minutes. Hopefully this works out real good. Let's check it out. Do this nasty section first. So it's important to note that we just didn't go spray the whole seat down. We're doing a little test area. This is where the center console goes. So if this area got screwed up right here, we would never notice. Do a test piece first. Got about another minute. You can already see it's doing weird things. It's almost like it's bringing the stain up to the surface. Okay, so it says to hover it and squirt it with that cleaning solution. And then you have the option of scrubbing it or agitating it. And you're going to press down and it's going to vacuum the liquid out. Okay, so let's see how easy or hard this is the first time doing it. Look at that. Okay, so for some reason, you're new to the channel. I do not lie. I do not make fake videos. That was one time. 3 years of dirt and nasty, one little cleaning with that machine. We're going to let that dry. We're going to see if we need to come back and do it again. But right now, I'm super impressed with it. Okay, so another good thing about that machine, it sucks all the water out. So we have one little application. You can see it does have some dirt right there and right there. We're going to have to do it again. But you can see, look at that. Dirty, clean. I clean the whole bottom half because I have to go to work in this tomorrow. And then at the end of the video, we're going to compare it to the top out in the sun so that you can really see the difference. I guess I'll go ahead and show doing the bottom seat real quick. First, you want to try to vacuum it dry the best you can to get all that loose dirt out first. So before we clean it, we got nasty there, nasty there, nasty, 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 ugly stains in real life. They're unacceptable. We're going to go in and spray the crap out of it with some pre-treatment, 3 to 5 minutes. Okay, so we can also use a nylon bristle brush to kind of agitate it. Okay, so I was talking about doing it twice. You just do it all at once. Just keep getting it wet. As soon as this starts to not be dirty, obviously it's clean. We're going to go ahead and get the bottom clean. I'm really impressed with this machine so far. I didn't think it was going to have that much nasty stuff. So it's not 100% dry yet, but we can tell that it looks pretty clean. Remember all that dirt that was right there compared to the top? What do you think? And if you miss a spot, of course, you can just go back and clean it. I just had to take the seat out to get this inside the console area, and it came out real nice. So on the truck, I actually didn't even film it because it was so bad. I didn't know if I was going to get it clean. I don't know how this looks on camera, but it looks, I don't know, about 75%. We still got to get all the little sand out. This is where I ride. I always bring sand in and out the truck, and there's nothing I can do about it. All that right there, that stuff is like embedded in there. I don't even know how to get it out. Okay, but if you ever take your seat out, you are going to have your mind blown when you see how nasty this area is. But we were able to get all the major nastiness off. Now it's just a bunch of little stuff. Okay, and a lot of respect to people that detail cars. It takes a lot of time to do all this stuff, and when you really care, you do try to get every single little freaking piece of dirt out. So if you ever get your car detailed by somebody, make sure you tip those guys. This is hard work. So it's dried some more, and it looks like we may need to clean it one more time. But compared to the dirty one, which we're going to clean tomorrow, you see, it still made a big difference. Toyota Tacoma, probably the best truck you can buy on earth. 140,000 miles. It has not had a single problem yet. Can't say the same about this guy right here, though. So I really bought it for cloth seats, but you can do carpets with it. You can do couches with it, everything. I highly recommend this product. I was not disappointed in any way. Everything completely passed the test. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and make sure Little Green Pro. They have a bunch that look like this. Little Green Pro.